John from Mesquite has a question about radiant barriers.
Well, his seam's inverted, Tom. John writes, I recently redecked and replaced my roof. I've completely replaced it, right? And I wanted radiant barrier decking, but the roofer instead installed plain old decking with an overlay of radiant barrier foil, then the felt, then the shingles on top of it. When I questioned him about this, he assured me it would work efficiently, effectively, because they had done many homes up in DFW this way. So, Tom, John wants your opinion.
Just because you do many homes doesn't mean anything. It's wrong. It doesn't work.
Right.
It was a total waste of time. It's not going to hurt anything. It's going to be there, but it's not a radiant barrier. A radiant barrier must face an airspace of at least 3/4 of an inch to make sure it becomes a barrier. Once you put things against it, it's a conductor.
Okay.
So it's just going to conduct the heat. So the fact of the matter that he's doing a lot of wrong things up in DFW makes me think that he should probably go somewhere else. I don't know what else to say. Quit doing that.
So
that's not what it's for.
What's the remedy for this?
He'd have to go and have someone spray the radiant barrier inside on the new decking in the attic. So it has to be put in the attic. So whether you get someone to staple foil, which is really difficult, or get maybe that Heat Block Ultra and have it sprayed up underneath there, that's the best and easiest way to go. But right now, you do not have a radiant barrier whatsoever.
It sounds like more like he's got a radiant transmitter up there.
It actually will conduct, but it's so thin it's not going to conduct much heat. It's just doing nothing. And all those roofs that guy did, they're doing nothing and giving people a false sense of energy savings, I guess you might say.
Well, maybe it's the energy savings you feel, not the energy savings you get.
Well, it is all about how you feel today.
It really is.
Yes.
It is. And
right now, I'm feeling kind of angry. Because I'm angry if that guy did it to my roof.
Is doing it wrong.
Yes.
Exactly right. So spray barrier is the answer. You got a question? We can get you more answers. You just send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Hey, check out these videos over here. We got more. And if you want to see the new ones first, subscribe to our channel.